my name is Dr. Kate Wiley. I'm a GP and the Executive Director of Doctors for the Environment Australia. We're a not-for-profit group of doctors who volunteer their time to advocate for emissions reduction, protection of nature and sustainability in healthcare. Fundamentally, as DEA members, what we see is that our planet's health is in trouble. We look around and treat the health impacts of climate change and biodiversity loss in our work. And we can't sit by and watch our planet's health decline when we can do something about it.
The health impacts of climate change are enormous. There's obviously the heat events and the excessive rain and flood events that we're all seeing already. There's infectious disease issues that we will face. There are concerns about crop scarcity down the track, which are also clearly a worry. Migration issues which impact health.
The most heartbreaking thing I see is young parents or, people of childbearing age coming in and saying, I want permanent contraception, because they won't bring children into this world because they're so scared about what the future will be. And so how can I, as a GP, having these people come into my room, how can I ignore that? Don't I have an ethical responsibility to stand up for my patients, stand up for their future and say, we've got to move on from fossil fuels?
We're holding NOPSEMA to account for its decision to approve the Scarborough gas project. We believe this was a mistake. We believe it may be illegal, and we are raising issues around the legality of that decision.
This is not a decision we're taking lightly. We're a small organisation. We're a not-for-profit. We have pretty tight margins, but we're doing this because we think it's the right thing to do by our community.
I think doctors need to play a role, partly because they've sworn an oath to uphold the health of the community, but also doctors are still a trusted voice in the community.
I think most Australians would be behind what we're doing because they see that we're just trying to ensure the health of our community, and surely as doctors that's our job.